All right, guys, happy Friday. This is the last day of your third week of seventh grade. Whoa, we're moving fast. Okay, so today we are working on a map. We are working on a map activity. Now, what we actually have today is, wow, I don't have my standard up. Pause. Okay, notice the glitch. That is fine. I fixed it. Welcome to life. We all make mistakes. I didn't include our standard. How dare I? Today's standard is standard 7.15. We are going to identify and locate the geographical features of Southwest Asia and North Africa, including the Arabian Peninsula, the Arabian Sea, the Black Sea, the Caspian Sea, the Mediterranean Sea, the Red Sea, the Persian Gulf, the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, and the city of Mecca. We have a couple more things we're going to add on there too. Now, our I can't statement for today is to identify and locate the geographical features of Southwest Asia and North Africa. Guys, when we say Southwest Asia and North Africa, we really just mean the Middle East. That's all that means. That is all that means. We are going to do this by labeling a map and answering geography questions. Oh, you thought you were done with geography after our map skills activity in Dragon Time this week? Wrong. You are stuck with geography the whole entire time you are doing social studies. You're going to have geography for the rest of your school career. It's just the way it goes. All right. So all we're doing is identifying and locating the geographical features of the Middle East by labeling a map and answering geography questions. So we go on to slide 2. We have the directions. The gray is water, the white is land. We are going to label the following items on our maps. Notice we have more than what is said in our thing. It says 4 to 6, it should be 5 to 7. I just added in our standard. Oopsies, that's okay. We're going to label the following items on our map. We're going to label the Arabian Sea, the Arabian Peninsula, which is also known as Arabia, the Arabian Sea, the Black Sea, the Caspian Sea, the Mediterranean Sea, the Red Sea, the Persian Gulf, the Tigris River, the Euphrates River, the Nile River, the city of Mecca, the city of Jerusalem, and the continents of Europe, Africa, and Asia. So we're going to use the reference maps on slides 5 through 7. Okay, I added in our standard. So slide 5, slide 6, slide 7. If these still are a struggle for you and you can't find things, you can also go to Google and type in map of the Arabian Peninsula. Okay, you can go to images. Boom. So if you're super struggling, this can help. But please try to use the others first. Please try to use, that's the 7th grade. Please try to use the other maps first. Well, that could be kind of helpful, couldn't it? Okay, lots of maps. That one could be really helpful. I'm just going to leave that tab up. Okay, so we're going to use those reference slides to help us label the map properly. We are not going to label what is not listed. If it is not in this list of 15 things, we are not labeling it. Okay? Once you have labeled something and you're done with it and you don't need it anymore, you can just draw a line through it, guys. You can cross it off. You can be done with it. Okay? To do that, I'm going to hit undo. To do that, you hit the line tool and you just mark through it. You draw a line. It's done. Okay? Or if you feel really fancy, you can click that line, click the line again, click scribble, and you can scribble it out. Whoops. And you can scribble it out. Scribble it out. Okay, maybe the scribble didn't work. There we go. That scribble worked. I don't know why the first one didn't. Welcome to my life. Okay? When we are done labeling all 15 things on the map is slide 3, we're going to answer the 5 questions on slide 4. I know it says 3 on your instructions. It's actually slide 4. Remember, I added in the standard. I'll renumber it before you get it. All right, so we're going to look at the cities of Mecca and Jerusalem are located on what peninsula? Which sea is located north of the Mediterranean Sea? Which sea is located east of the Black Sea? Reference map number 1 shows deserts on the Arabian Peninsula. How do deserts impact people? So what impact is a desert going to have on people? Is it going to impact their movement? Is it going to impact how they live? And then number 5, how do you think the location of the Arabian Peninsula will affect trade with Europe, Asia, and Africa? So how is the location of this going to impact people living over here, and people living over here, people living over here? Now, I've clicked on our map finally, and you're probably going, wait, there's already boxes. There's already words in the boxes. That's fine. I'm giving you hints as to which things are which. Okay, I'm telling you, hey, this box is a continent, so you're going to use one of the 3 continents. This box is water, so you're going to use one of the waters. Oh, look, these 2 boxes say city. You're probably going to put city names there. Okay? Once you are done with all 15 labels, okay, once you are done labeling everything, and once you are done with all 5 questions, do not turn it in until your class has gone over it. Do not turn it in until your class has gone over it. If you finish early and others are still working, you can, again, work on anything for another class. Do some Delta math if you have that for math class. Work on anything for science or literacy or related arts or anything you haven't finished for social studies. If you have absolutely nothing to do at all, play the challenge Kahoot for Rome. Yes, you're probably getting very sick of playing that. Don't worry, the Islam one will be up soonish. I say soonish because I need to double check the test and if it still works with the standards. Okay, the Islam one will go up soon. But there is no reason to sit there and not be working on something. You're finishing up you're doing this map. When you're done doing the map, you're doing anything for social studies, math, literacy, science, related arts, or playing Challenge Kahoot to review Rome. All right, guys, go on ahead, get to work. Happy Friday. I hope you have a great day and a great weekend.